Hey everyone, this is Lynn with Mio Lash, and today I wanted to show you guys how to do a fill. So what you want to do with your client at first is put the iPad or the tape, whichever one you're going to be using, and make sure you tape down the lower lash. Okay, so the next step, what you want to do is you want to go and remove any lashes that have outgrown more than 2 to 3 millimeter. So just kind of sift through the lashes, and once you find one that has outgrown, just peel it off. If you have an extension that is hard to peel off, what you can do is grab a bit of your remover and then just put the remover on the extensions that you are trying to remove and leave it on there for a few minutes to get the remover to start loosening the glue, and then you should have an easier time removing the extension. Okay, so now once everything is removed, what you want to do is you want to clean the lashes and prime it. Now, what I like to use to clean the lashes is a contact solution before I use the primer. You just want to go on top of the lashes, and then you want to lift the extensions to make sure you're cleaning the natural lashes that are underneath. Now you want to do this to make sure you are removing any oils or dirt, or if they have a bit of makeup left over, because if you have any sort of residue on the natural lash, you're not going to have a good retention. Okay, now the primer. All right, so once you've done prepping it, you are ready to begin. Okay, so one trick that I like to do when I'm doing a fill is I get a tape and I tape up the extension so that I can easily see the natural lashes. Now, if your tape is very sticky, what you want to do is place it on the back of your hand to take off some of the adhesive so that it's easier to remove afterwards. And this method just makes it easier to see the natural lash and to place it on. Okay, so now that I have finished the set, what I like to do is just go through the lashes to make sure that I haven't glued multiple natural lashes on the extension. Okay, and then just brush it out. And what I like to do is I like to give my clients their brush and I put it in a baggie for them so they can brush out their extensions after they take a shower or in the morning. So it's just a little gift for them to have. I hope you guys liked that video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you guys enjoyed this, share it with your friends. And I'll see you guys in the next video.